Hello, IK here. Welcome to Chapter 15, CRUD API, Read the Data Flow via console.log. The frontend sends an HTTP request to the backend API. The URL of the API endpoint is API product. There are two API endpoints with the same URL but different hypertext transfer protocol methods. App-get, app-post, there is the same address. When no HTTP method is explicitly specified in fetch, the default method is get. For a read-get request, the frontend does not send any data to the server, so the request body is empty. If the request is successful, the frontend receives data in the response. Here it is console.log data, what received frontend, visible here. And when we expand, we see products array. Set products data updates the product's state from an empty array to a populated array. This state is passed by reference via props to the post list component. The post list component uses the map method to render the products in the user interface. API get, here it is, API get, complete script, and console.log, what is topic of this video. Console.log in the server terminal, the query result is displayed as an array of products. Here it is, server terminal. The server converts the JavaScript array into JSON format and sends it in the response. Here it is, conversion. On the front end, the opposite process occurs. This code parses the JSON response and converts it into a JavaScript array. Constant data, here it is opposite. This is opposite from JSON to JavaScript. Conclusion, APIs are implemented on the server. The frontend sends HTTP requests to the backend API. By default, the fetch request uses the get method if no method is specified. Data transmission between the frontend and backend is performed in JSON format. Next, Chapter 16, CRUD API, create data flow via console.log. Okay, it is the end of this video. If you know somebody that need video like this, send them information of this video. If you like it. If you need, subscribe to it. Engagement is something what growing knowledge of all of us what see this video. Thank you for watching this video.